Have you just bought a pergola from Spa World in New Zealand? Or are you thinking of buying one? If so, you probably have some questions around building permits, council and installation requirements. This video will cover frequently asked questions that apply to all pergola owners nationwide. This document is designed to provide a simplified overview of current regulations in reference to Spa World products. It is not a complete guide, and we advise all customers to seek independent advice in relation to their own personal site requirements. The information in this video was accurate at the time of recording. However, this can change without notice, and the viewer must check with their local council. Hi, I'm Annabella, and in this video I'm going to get you up to speed with all the need to know information and common questions that apply to those that are shopping for or installing a Vortex Pergola in New Zealand. As mentioned previously, we recommend that you contact your local council to find out if there are any rules that apply specifically to your area. To make it easier, I'll section this video off into 7 parts. The first section will cover specific requirements around building permits and installation in New Zealand. And then I'll cover frequently asked questions on installing a pergola, timing and how to assemble a pergola correctly, customizing and altering the pergola, pergola features, pergola accessories and ongoing maintenance. Section 1. Building permits for pergolas in New Zealand. Do I need a building consent for my Vortex Pergola? No, you don't need a building consent when assembling a pergola in New Zealand. Recent changes to the Building Act mean that verandas and porches, this includes roofed pergolas up to 30 square metres on a ground floor, do not require building consent. Can I install a pergola over an easement on my property? No pergola can be constructed over any pipelines that are owned by the council or within a council easement that's used for services. It's important to note that a structure foundation above ground, such as a concrete pad for a pergola, needs to be placed at a certain distance away from underground pipelines. The foundation needs to extend 45 degrees from below the pipe invert to the ground surface. The point that the 45-degree area extends from needs to be 150 millimeters below and 300 millimeters to the side of the pipe invert. Does my Vortex Pergola need to be installed by a registered builder? No, your Vortex Pergola does not need to be installed by a registered builder. Section 2. Installing a pergola, frequently asked questions. Will I need to hire an electrician to complete work on the pergola during the assembly process? Yes, you will need an electrician to hardwire the electrical supply to the motorised pergola. This is to ensure the functionality of the motorised louver roof and LED lighting. The electrician will hardwire the electrical supply to the motorised pergola and then run a cable through the leg posts. You can arrange for an electrician to do the hardwiring around 2 hours into the installation process or after the framework of the pergola is in place. Do I need engineering for my pergola? Yes, engineering certifications for standard concrete foundations are included in the tech sheets for each pergola model. You can download these from our website by clicking the pergola product page and then selecting your specific pergola model. However, if you want to use any other foundation other than the concrete slab connection, for example you're securing the pergola straight onto a deck, then you may be required to have your foundation certified by an engineer. Can I install my pergola onto a deck? Yes, you can install a pergola onto a deck. However, for this type of installation, you will need an engineer to confirm that the deck is structurally strong enough to attach the pergola to it. Do motorised pergolas require electrical approvals? Yes, all 240 volt appliances require electrical approvals. This is for the safety of your home, friends and family. These approvals are available on request. To obtain a copy of electrical approval for a Spa World product, please email compliance@spaworld.co.nz. Does Spa World offer an installation service for pergolas? Unfortunately, Spa World doesn't offer an installation service. We suggest that you have a chat with your salesperson because they may be able to pass on referral options to you. Section 3. Timing and how to assemble a Vortex Pergola correctly. How do I assemble a Vortex Pergola? Assembling a pergola requires at least 3 people to do the job. We highly recommend that you watch this video on how to assemble a pergola and follow along with our Spa Wheel team who will take you through the process step by step. So how long does it take to assemble a pergola? Well, this depends on the number of factors, including the installer's level of experience and technical ability, as well as the location environment. Generally, we suggest allowing around 4 to 8 hours. Section 4. Customizing and altering the pergola. Are the pergolas available at a lower height? The Vortex 3300, 3400 and 4600 models all have an exterior height of 2.7 meters. However, it is possible to cut down the post height, but first we suggest that you speak with a builder or engineer. Are the pergolas available in a customized size? The 3 models in the range are different in dimension, and no, unfortunately, we don't provide this option custom-made sizes. Am I able to attach the pergola to an existing structure, such as a house? We recommend that you discuss this option with your builder or engineer. Section 5. Pergola features. How many motors are on the Vortex Pergola? This number will change depending on which model you're looking at. The 3300 model has 1 motor, the 3400 model has 2 motors, and the 4600 model also has 2 motors. Do these pergolas have a wind rating or classification number? Yes, you can find the details of this in the engineering certificate in the tech pack. This can be downloaded from the specific product page on our website. What grade of aluminium is used for Vortex pergolas? The grade is 6063 T5. You'll find more information on this on the specification sheets on our website. Simply download the document from the product page for each pergola model. Section 6. Pergola accessories. Can you insert changing colours in the LED lighting? Although it does sound like a lot of fun, unfortunately this isn't an option that we offer at the moment. Do the louvers automatically close when it rains? No, this isn't an option at the moment either. To close the louvers, you will need to use the remote control or touchpad on the wireless receiver. Does Spa World offer motorised pergola blinds? We don't offer motorised pergola blinds at the moment. However, we do offer manual pergola blinds that you can push up or pull down with ease. And for more details, visit the pergola product page on our website. Section 7. Ongoing maintenance. How do I maintain my pergola? Regular care is key to keeping your Vortex Pergola in top condition. We recommend that you check the screws are tight and remember to check the screws at least once a year. If the weather forecasts snowfall or strong winds that are greater than 80 kilometers an hour, we recommend opening the louver blades. Don't open or close blades in frost or snow. Remove blades from pergola when there's a lot of snow. Check seals to make sure they're in good condition and not vulnerable to leaks. Clean debris such as fallen leaves regularly, and this will prevent them from blocking the drain. Watertight systems aren't designed to ensure complete waterproofing. Heavy rain and strong winds may damage the pergola and won't be covered under the warranty. Check the stability of the pergola regularly. This is extremely important because any damage that's incurred or caused by the pergola detaching from its foundation due to natural disasters, high wind, or other extreme events is not covered and is the responsibility of the homeowner and installer. It is not covered under the manufacturer's warranty. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. You should now have a much clearer idea of the regulations and recommendations that apply to pergolas in New Zealand. Now you'll be able to start or continue to set your Vortex Pergola up in your outdoor space. To refer back to a certain section in this video, please refer to the time log in the YouTube description below. You can also head to the Learning Centre on our website. If you would like to speak directly with a Spa World team member, head to your nearest showroom.